Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ecobee Thermostat, quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Ecobee Thermostat from its box. Ensure you have all the components, the thermostat, mounting plate, and screws. Next, turn off the power to your thermostat at the circuit breaker. Remove your old thermostat by carefully detaching it from the wall. Take a picture of the wires connected to your old thermostat for reference. Disconnect the wires from the old thermostat. Align the Ecobee mounting plate with the existing holes in the wall. If needed, use the level tool to ensure the mounting plate is straight. Secure the mounting plate to the wall using the provided screws. Now, connect the wires to the corresponding terminals on the Ecobee. Refer to the picture you took earlier to match the wire colors. If the wire layout differs, consult the installation guide for correct connections. Once the wires are connected, gently attach the Ecobee thermostat to the mounting plate. Press firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is secured. Restore power to the thermostat at the circuit breaker. The Ecobee will power on and walk you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and connect to Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted to gain network access. Set your location and time zone for accurate scheduling. Customize your preferences for heating and cooling settings as needed. Complete the setup by saving your changes and confirming your settings. Your Ecobee thermostat is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.